Good morning everyone. Now I do hope you can see this because I've had to change the angle of the camera and it's above me, so if I might have to turn the sound down. Now I did do an extra coating on the lid and I like the way the snow's set and everything now, so that's ready. This is almost done. I've added a couple of tree baubles on there. Now they come on grips, hair grips, like that. I don't know whether I'm going to keep them on there or not, because they're perfect. I can just wrap something round, you see. Put some tinsel on the sides. I'm not sure. I have here a selection of bits and pieces. But remember when I said I had the bobble, the hair bobble? It's a Christmas hair bobble, and I thought it would be nice to have that on the base of the lamp, like that. But I want to add in, like I say, some trees and a little scene at the bottom, like that. But they're not going to stay on there unless I put a bigger base on the bottom. So I was just thinking about doing something like that. I also made these last year, these baubles, they're wreaths, and I thought of putting one here. But I also want to put a bit of greenery on, and if I can, some beading, like that. So that's what I'm going to do, and I may need to put this on a bigger plinth and then glue this down to the plinth so that it's they will stick onto it as well. So what I've got to do now is cut a plinth out like that. Now I do have some chipboard. Oh, and that's just going to be fine. So what I'm going to do, okay, let me just quickly mark this out. I'm only going to quickly mark that out and then I'll cut that how I want it. That'll do. The normal glue, this glossy accents, and hot glue in the middle just to hold it in place. So just roughly find the middle. I think that'll do. That's fine. And now all I've got to do is attach this over there. Hope you can see this, because the battery ran out. So you can see that. So I now have to, I may need to cut it down, but I just want to glue that to the end like that, all the way around. Just going to do that. Do the back. like that. And that's going to keep that on there. And that's, I like that. So now what I can do is I can start and add these bits and pieces. So I'm just going to put that on there like that. And then I can attach it to there. See? Like that. Stand that up a bit more, upright. I'm going to put my little snowman in there. On there like that. Now I need him to sit upright, so I'm going to glue him onto that tree. Like that. That's it. I am going to put this Christmas tree on. Just there. And before I do any more, I'm going to do this to wrap it around the stem. have a little robin, but what I did have was another bird that I've painted with a red breast. And that will have to do. But I'm not bothered about that. He now looks like a robin. I just need to do his eye, which needs just to be a point. So I'm going to use my the thing I use for piercing holes, just to do a little eye on there, like that. You're not going to see the other side, so it doesn't matter. Like that. And I'll give him a little black beak. So that's that. Where's the black? Have to do this carefully. The lighting isn't very good, so I'm just going to put my other lamp on and see if that works. Where's the hole? A little bit better, not much. But take a little bit of black paint, because he doesn't have a red beak. He does have, but he's not going to have. He has to have a black beak. That will do. I'm not bothered about that. It was just a little bird needed to be perched on there. I just want to put some decoration around the top. So what I'm going to use is the beading I used before for here. I'm going to glue around the top of this, if I can get it to go. So I'm just going to start at the back. Yeah, see, that lid needs to be on properly. It's not pushed on enough, sorry. There, it is now. So I'm just going to pop on a bit of glue there. Hopefully it doesn't melt the darn thing. Like that. That's better. Now I do like that. I think that looks really pretty. And I don't really think we need to do any more than that to it. I hope you like that. I'm going to take a full picture of it so you can see. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. And I hope you do it yourself. Yogurt pots, jelly pots, anything clear, even a dish that you can make two. You know, if you do two, put one as a cap on and then paint the cap black. So there's lots and lots of ways of doing them. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.